Today I want to teach you about a new tool in your eToolKit. So when you go to Connect Ed in your math folder, you're going to go here to the green button with the shapes that says eToolKit. Click on it. And then you will open up to this kind of blank white screen. Down here you see this blue button, Backgrounds, and then next to it, which you can't see on my screen, but you will when you get there, it says eTools. If you click on it, this menu pops up. We've used the connecting to cubes, the counting sticks, all these fun things here. Today we're going to go down over here. So far we have used this pencil one, but today we're going to use this button. So if you click on this button, you will have pop up a tool that we use in math sometimes, especially when you're older. It's called a calculator. And so today I just want to talk to you a little bit about a calculator. Right here on the calculator is called the screen. And on the screen you will see numbers appear. Right now there's just a 0 because we haven't put any other numbers up here. And then we have these kind of funny looking symbols and some funny letters and symbols here. Then we have our numbers. 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 0. We also have a C button. That means clear. If we want to erase everything that we were doing, we can push the C button and clear it. And then we have a dot here. Usually when we're reading, we call this a period. But in math, this is called a decimal. You won't learn about decimals for a few years. And then on the side over here, we have some other symbols. This one is for dividing numbers. This is for multiplying numbers. This is the minus sign for subtracting, and this is the plus sign for adding. And then you have this big button right here, and it has the equal sign. That gives you a total or a sum. So let's just do a little exploring here. If I were to click on 6, you will see a 6 appear right here up on the screen. If I wanted to add to my 6, I could push the plus button. You're not going to see a plus button up here, but I did push it. So it's automatically going to add the number when I click a new number. So I'm going to do 6 plus 1. And as soon as I click the 1, you will see the number up here change. Equals 7. So I just did 6 plus 1 equals, and then here's my answer, 7. Now, let's say I want to do a different problem. I'm going to push C for clear, and it's going to take it back to 0. There we go. Now I want to add some other numbers. I want to add 2 plus 3. Then I have to push equals so it knows to put the numbers together. That is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. While I'm working on this, I can also come down here and pull out my pencil tool, and I could write the number sentence I'm working on. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, now I'm going to click the C button to clear it and do another problem. This time I'm going to do 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, now I'm going to write that down again. 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, so as you practice on your calculator, you can write the number sentences to go with it around the calculator. I'm going to clear this now. And really the only button I want you to be exploring is this plus sign. I mean, you can click on the other ones and see what happens, but when you're doing your number sentences, so far we've only been talking about addition. So I want you to practice